Hi guys, I will be showing you my ringtones on my phone. Some of them, I sing to, and some of them I probably won't sing to. So, my first one is Whip My Hair. Oops. Sorry about that. I was on the wrong one. So, like I said, my first one will be Whip My Hair by Willow Smith. Yeah, how we doing what to do, we turn our back and whip our hair and just shake them off. Shake them off. So, the next one is Lazy Song. My next one is That Should Be Me.
That should be me.
Holding your hand. That should be me. Making you laugh. That should be me. This is so sad. That should be me. That should be me. That should be me. Holding your kiss. That should be me. Finding your gifts. This is so wrong. I can't go on till you believe that should be me. That should be me. You said you needed a little time for my mistakes. It's funny how you used that time to have me replaced. Did you think that I wouldn't see you out at the movies? What you doing to me? Taking it ways to go. But if you're trying to break my heart, it's working 'cause you know. Sorry, I like that song. So my next song is
Teach me how to dougie. Teach me how to dougie. Teach me how to dougie. Teach me how to dougie.
Everybody love me. Everybody love me. Everybody love me. You ain't messing with my dougie.
Teach me how to dougie. Teach me how to dougie. Teach me how to dougie. Teach me how to dougie.
Everybody love me. Everybody love me. Everybody love me. You ain't messing with my dougie.
my next one is
Excuse me, you're a hell of a guy. I mean, more am I like pelican fly. I mean, you're so shy, and I'm loving your tie. You're like tickling a guy with a thing on his eye. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Somebody please tell me who F.I. is. I am Nicki Minaj, and Mac duped up. That duped up. Boy, you got my heartbeat running away. Beating like a drum, and it's coming your way. Can't you hear that boom, 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 boom? You got this. The next one is Party in the USA by Miley Cyrus. Club in my taxi cab, everybody's looking at me now. Like, who's that chick that's rockin' kicks? She's gotta be from out of town. So hard with my girls all around me. It's definitely not a Nashville party, 'cause all I see is a let-ups. I guess I never got the memo. This is One Less Lonely Girl by Justin Bieber. Start over some shoulders you cried on before. How many promises? Be honest, girl. How many tears you let hit the floor? How many bags you packed just to take them back? Tell me that. How many evil? Oh, to let me inside of your world. There'll be one less lonely girl. Like a G6.
Bottles in the ice, like a blizzard. When we drink, we do it right. Getting slizzard, sipping scissor. Am I right? Like 3-6. Now I'm feeling so fly, like a G6. Like a G6, like a G6. Now I'm feeling so fly, like a G6. Like a G6, like a G6. Now I'm feeling so fly, like a G6.
Next will be Just Dance by Lady Gaga. Just dance. My next one is Stuck in the Moment by Justin Bieber.
I wish we had another time. I wish we had another place. But everything we have is stuck in the moment. And there's nothing my heart can do to fight with time and space. 'Cause I'm still stuck in the moment with you.
See, like Adam and Eve, tragedy was a destiny. Like Sonny and Cher, I don't care, I got you, baby. Runaway Love. Never Say Never by Justin Bieber.
I will never say never. I will fight till forever. Make it right. I will not stay on the ground. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, and never say never. Yeah, never say never. Yeah, never say never. Yeah, never say never. I never thought that I could feel this power. I never thought that I could feel this free.
Next one, it's Magic. This is the original. Oh, well. My next one is Favorite Girl by Justin Bieber, and this is the acoustic version. My next one is Dynamite, and this is my favorite one because it's not the real Dynamite, but if you have seen Napoleon Dynamite, you will hear that. You will recognize this voice.
Hello? The phone's ringing for you? Why don't you pick up your flippin' phone? It's your friend. Gosh. A girl wants a guy like with nunchuck skills and pick up the phone skills. Hello? The phone's ringing for you? Why don't you pick up your flippin' phone? It's your friend. Gosh. A girl wants a guy like with nunchuck skills.
Okay, we're done with that one. This one is California Girls by Katy Perry.
Daisy Dukes bikinis on top. Sun-kissed skin so hot. Oh, it's your popsicle. Whoa.